Unraveling the mystery. Understanding, boil continuously. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're diving into a common but sometimes confusing phrase in the English language: boil continuously. Whether you're a budding chef or just looking to enhance your English vocabulary, understanding this phrase is essential. Let's get started. Before we understand what it means to boil continuously, it's important to grasp the basic concept of boiling. Boiling is the process where a liquid turns into vapor when it is heated to its boiling point. This usually involves the formation of bubbles and vigorous agitation in the liquid. Now, to boil continuously means to keep the liquid at its boiling point without interruption. This is crucial in cooking to ensure that the temperature remains high and constant. It's a method often used to cook or prepare certain dishes or ingredients that require a consistent and high level of heat. In cooking, boil continuously is vital for recipes that demand a steady, high temperature. This could be for reducing a sauce to thicken it, cooking pasta, or sterilizing jars for canning. If the boiling is not continuous, the desired outcome of the recipe might not be achieved, leading to undercooked food or improperly sterilized equipment. Keep an eye. When you're asked to boil something continuously, keep a close eye on it. It shouldn't stop boiling at any point. Adjust the heat. If you see the boiling slowing down, you might need to increase the heat. If it's boiling too vigorously and there's a risk of spilling over, reduce the heat slightly. Use a timer. If your recipe specifies a certain time for continuous boiling, use a timer to help you keep track. Understanding the phrase, boil continuously, can greatly impact your cooking and your comprehension of English, especially in culinary contexts. It's not just about boiling. It's about maintaining a consistent, high level of heat for a successful outcome. We hope this lesson has clarified the meaning and importance of this common phrase. Happy cooking and happy learning!